In this video, I want to show you how you can turn off background apps on Android. So the first step is to go to your settings app on your phone, and then you want to scroll down to where it says apps. Now, depending on your phone that you're using, it might be a slightly different process, but it should be similar on all Android devices. Then in the case of my phone, I tap on apps right at the top, and now I just need to search for an app that I want to turn off the background activity on. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Instagram, tap on Instagram. This will bring up the app page for this specific app. Now, depending on your phone, you might have an advanced option that you need to tap on before you get to any power usage details, as you can see in the middle of the screen, or it might say battery. So I tap on power usage details, and then it says app launch background activity not restricted. So I tap on that. And now I can go ahead and toggle off the restrict unnecessary launches to save power, toggle that off, and then tap OK. Now the background activity of Instagram has been turned off. So if you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.